We are going to be comparing and contrasting Maine and Oregon. Maine has 1.3 million people.
Whereas Oregon has 3.9 million people.
Maine has 51% female population.
And Oregon has 50.59 female population.
58% of the people living in Maine are 18 to 65 years old.
And the same is true for Oregon.
90.6% of people living in Maine are high school graduates.
89.2% of people living in Oregon are high school graduates.
Maine has 27.2% of their population that has obtained a bachelor's degree or higher.
And 29.2% have a bachelor's degree or higher in Oregon.
Maine's median income is $48,000 a year.
The median income for Oregon is $50,000 a year.
13.3% of the people living in Maine live below the poverty line.
15.5% live below the poverty line in Oregon.
The minimum wage in Maine is $7.50 an hour.
$9.10 is the minimum wage per hour in Oregon.
Maine has 10 public universities.
And Oregon has 7 public universities.
Maine has 8 community colleges.
There are 17 different community colleges in Oregon.
And in Maine, there are 20 private institutions of higher education.
Oregon has 32 private institutions.
All right, and that concludes our compare and contrast of Maine and Oregon.